Hi, Dr. Ian. My name is Maddie. I am lactose intolerant, and I was wondering, I've heard a lot of buzz about oat milk. I've seen it in a lot of coffee shops in New York City, and I was wondering if you could tell me a little more about it.
Oat milk is kind of like becoming the rage. People are either lactose intolerant or they just don't want to have dairy. So
is it calorically different than milk, or are there health benefits to it?
It could be a little less in calories because, of course, you know, store-bought milk has a lot of extra calories in there. There's a lot of sugar in there. But the beauty of oat milk is this is very simple. You can make it at home, and I'm going to try to make it. Okay? So there are other
you make oat milk. You don't buy oat milk.
You can buy oat milk, but you can make it at home. You know, much cheaper. So you start with either whole oats, okay, or steel-cut oats. They're whole. Oats are great because they absorb water really, really well. So 1 part whole oats, okay, you put in your bowl here. Then 2 parts to water, just plain water. And what you do is you take this and you let it soak overnight. That's the best. At least 8 hours, but overnight is the best because the oat will absorb all this great water. Okay, so we have this here. Now, of course, this is what it looks like after it's done. You can see this here, okay? You put it into your blender, very simple like this, okay? And the reason why I like this is because, honestly, it tastes like liquid oatmeal. Like, at first I was a little suspicious.
Well, it is oatmeal, right? You just didn't boil it.
Yeah, but it tastes like, you know, like, I can't put this thing on here, but it tastes like, you know,
I enjoy watching other people try and put this in.
So you take this, you blend it for about 30 seconds, 45 seconds.
That's not annoying at all.
Okay. And then, you know, it's very simple. Once you take this, you have to take a strainer. See how creamy that is? It's nice and creamy.
Lovely.
You take a strainer or a cheesecloth.
A little cheesecloth.
Pour it in like so. Okay. And then the beauty is when it comes out, it looks like this. Okay. And you can put it in your refrigerator for about 5 days. This milk has more protein than any non-dairy milk except for soy. Except for soy. A little lower in calories, and the beauty is that the oat is a whole grain, so all those phytonutrients, fiber, protein, B vitamins, all in here.
It's good for your heart health, correct?
And you put it in your coffee. I do not drink coffee, by the way, but if you're a coffee drinker, you know,
gallons
that's fine.
of it, yeah.
I live on that stuff.
Yeah, I do.
And my mother's like that. Or your cereal. And it tastes good. It really tastes good.
Oat milk on oat cereal.
Yeah.